Now let's get ready to learn this beautiful moral lesson. The Chinese characters will give us the power to understand the deep inner contents. Flat, up, and down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are the 4 tones. 1, 2, 3, 4. The Chinese characters, the tones are extremely important. Without proper tone, you do not transmit the meaning of the Chinese character. 天
天
Heaven. Bu.
不
Not. Shen. Give birth to. Wu. Wu means
Wu.
nothing. Without. Lu.
路
That's salary. Payment for your work. 知 人
知
people. Human. Okay, let's read. 不淹天，
天
不污布，
不
施恩生，
生
无
无
禄
禄
之
之
人，
人，
天不生无禄之人，
天不生无
禄
禄之人。Yeah.
not 人人
人
人。
人
Right. 天不生无禄之人. The heaven doesn't give birth to the people who has no salary. It is very kind of like cute way of saying that heaven is very fair. Heaven doesn't mistreat anybody. Heaven and earth and the divine and our creator are full of mercy to human beings. That's the sentence actually right from Master Li's teaching. Heaven, earth, divine, and our creator are merciful to human beings. Yeah. So 天地神创世主是慈悲的 merciful, full of compassion. As a human being, we are created by the divine. We are placed in this realm. This realm consists of the beautiful earth, our transient home. And as long as we are living on the earth and follow the instructions of the divine, we supposed to live beautifully. Okay. Every moment of our life is full of blessings and joy and meaning. But the trouble is that a lot of times we pay too much attention to this word called salary. You see, a lot of us want to have a lot of good salary, these days public school says, what's the purpose of education? It's called job ready, America. the purpose of education is called a job ready. Oh, the children says, well, you know, we need to have good grades, and then we're gonna have a good job, and we're gonna have good salary, right? Salary, ultimate goal is have high cushy salary. With that high salary, we're gonna be able to live happily ever after. A lot of people think like that. So people compete, and for that money, people forget about the most important thing in their life, and eventually, they don't have anything. And they complain about heaven, complain about everything. They even hate God for not giving them what they pray to have. They don't understand that you actually are given a very heavy salary. But that comes from your work. You have to do good work to get it. That's from the next part of the moral lesson. Let's go to the next part. Pause now.